Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. A square, it's a square. Trapezoid, trapezoid. Circle, it's a circle. Rhombus, it's a rhombus. Parallelogram, parallelogram. Right triangle, it's a right triangle. Let's learn some colors. Carmine color, peacock green color, turquoise blue color, light violet color, orange color, cool grey color. Now fill color in shapes. Orange color, orange color, peacock green color, peacock green color, light violet color, light violet color, carmine color, carmine color, turquoise blue color, turquoise blue color, cool grey color, cool grey color. Now learn 2D shapes. A square, trapezoid, circle, rhombus, parallelogram, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you next video.